today we are discussing about the very fantastic topic, can one single polythene reduce for help for reducing the pollution. So first of all, it is very biggest problem for everyone, for every places. From the polythene we have a much losses, because we see in every place all animals are eating the polythene. Suppose we purchase the one goods, then we take the polythene, then we throw in a polythene in a dustbin. But Modi government making the one rule like kachra gadi. So but from the kachra gadi, this gadi throw the dust in outside. So many cows and animal go to there. They eat this polythene. So from the polythene they died. So it is very bad for everyone. Suppose if we will burn this polythene. So we have a second pollution. Our surrounded area will be polluted from the burning, from this smoke. So we can't burn this polythene. And third, we see in every places we throw the polythene in our land. So from the land their land very bad fertility. So we can't grow crop. So if we will not grow the crop, so what will we eat? So it is very biggest problem for everyone. And fourth thing, we throw in water. In many places we see many people throw the garbage and throw the polythene in our water, in a nala. So from this there gutters will come in a nala, and water will not go and next place. So we see in every place there is very biggest problem nowadays. There is very biggest problem for us. We see in every places water fill in their many houses. So I think it is very biggest problem for everyone, the polythene. So polythene should ban. Modi government think that polythene should ban. So we should give the respect for this activity, and we should use of this type of activity, and we should not use of polythene, and we should use of cloth bag and paper bag, etc. Thank you.
Next.